right, so boys and girls, today we're going to talk about the idea or issue of fairness. It's really an important issue in social issues books because a lot of times that people have problems that they face, many of them are unfair. Being bullied, no one deserves to be bullied. It is completely unfair to be bullied. Same with someone being judged. Being judged is unfair because the person who's judging you might not have all of the information. So, to continue today's work in your reader's notebook, we're going to talk about the idea of, is something going on in Save Me a Seat fair? Is it unfair? And I know you guys have already done this in your reader's notebook because you answered the question about Joe's mom. So here would be your answer about how Joe reacted to his mom being in the blowing him a kiss in the lunchroom. But now we're just going to work at the below that part in our reader's notebook, writing some ideas of what's fair. And immediately something comes to my mind, and that is, and I'm going to use the thought prompt, I think that something is unfair. So I think it is unfair that Mrs. Beam does not think Ravi can speak or understand English. I think that is super unfair because Ravi knows how to speak English. He's a good student. And Mrs. Beam is thinking that just because she can't understand him, that he doesn't know English. So I don't think that that's fair. And then we want to add on to that. This unfairness matters because Mrs. Beam isn't going to see Ravi for the good student that he is. So this unfairness matters because Mrs. Beam will not see Ravi as the capable student, that he is. So that means in this book, Ravi isn't going to be treated correctly because of the judgment that Mrs. Beam has made. So boys and girls, right now I want you to make your own statement in your reader's notebook. It could be about Joe, it could be about Ravi, it could be about Dylan Samreen and what he does to Joe. Is it fair? Is it unfair? And what does it matter? Why is it not okay? Why is it fair? So go ahead and do that in your reader's notebook, and then we're going to read the next 2 chapters of Save Me a Seat.